Welcome to our informative video. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common household debate: laundry bag versus laundry basket. We all have dirty laundry, but how we store and transport it can make a significant difference in our laundry routine. In this video, we are going to compare the features, advantages, and drawbacks of laundry bags and laundry baskets. Let's jump right in. Introduction to laundry bags and laundry baskets. Let's start by introducing laundry bags and laundry baskets. Laundry bags are typically made of fabric and have a drawstring or zippered closure, allowing you to store and carry your dirty clothes. On the other hand, laundry baskets are typically made of plastic, wicker, or cloth material, and they come in various shapes and sizes, providing a sturdier and more rigid structure for holding your laundry.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Portability and storage. When it comes to portability, laundry bags have the upper hand. Their lightweight and flexible nature make them easy to carry, especially if you need to transport your laundry to a laundromat or another location. Laundry bags are also highly collapsible, allowing you to fold them up and store them away when not in use. On the other hand, laundry baskets, while not as portable, provide a stable structure for storing your laundry. They are ideal for keeping your dirty clothes organized at home. Capacity and space efficiency. In terms of capacity, laundry baskets often have a larger volume, allowing you to hold more clothes at once. This makes them suitable for households with larger laundry loads. However, laundry baskets can take up a significant amount of space, especially if you have limited room in your laundry area. On the other hand, laundry bags are more space efficient and can be easily hung on a hook or placed inside a closet, making them a great option for smaller living spaces. Durability and longevity. When it comes to durability, laundry baskets typically have the edge. Plastic or wicker baskets are known for their sturdiness and can withstand heavy use. However, cloth laundry baskets may not be as durable and can show signs of wear and tear over time. Laundry bags, on the other hand, vary in durability depending on the material used. Some fabric bags may not be as robust, while others made from thicker materials can offer good longevity. Ventilation and odor control. Ventilation and odor control are important factors to consider when dealing with dirty laundry. Laundry baskets often have better ventilation due to their open design, allowing air to circulate and prevent unpleasant odors. However, this can also lead to your laundry area being more exposed to the sight of dirty clothes. Laundry bags, especially those made from breathable fabrics, can help control odors to some extent. The closed design helps contain smells and keeps your laundry discreet. Aesthetics and versatility. If aesthetics are important to you, laundry baskets offer a wider range of options. They come in various styles, colors, and materials, allowing you to choose one that matches your home decor. Laundry bags, while often available in different designs, may not offer as much variety. However, laundry bags are highly versatile. Some come with additional compartments or pockets for sorting your laundry, and they can be used for other purposes like carrying beach towels or storing linens. Price and accessibility. Let's talk about price and accessibility. Laundry bags are generally more affordable than laundry baskets. They are widely available in stores and online, with a range of price options to fit different budgets. Laundry baskets, especially those made from higher quality materials, can be more expensive. However, they are also widely accessible in stores and online, offering a variety of options to suit different preferences and budgets. The choice between a laundry bag and a laundry basket depends on your specific needs and preferences. If portability, space efficiency, and affordability are your priorities, a laundry bag may be the better option. On the other hand, if durability, larger capacity, and aesthetics are important to you, a laundry basket might be the way to go. Consider your living situation, laundry routine, and personal style when making your decision. Thank you for joining us today, and happy laundering.